Right, on this video, we are given f of x equals to x cubed. All we want to do is we must find f dash of x from the first principles, which means we must find the derivative using the first principles. Right, by definition, we say that f dash of x is equals to limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x everything over h, which means it's now equals to limit as h approaches 0 of now it means where there is x on x cubed, where there is x we substitute with x plus h, therefore it will now be x plus h then everything cubed minus f of x. Our f of x is x cubed all over h, which is now equals to limit as h approaches 0 of, now here we expand this, which means it will be x plus h into x plus h into x plus h minus x cubed all over h, which is also equals to limit as h approaches 0 of, expanding these first two, or okay, rather these last two, it will be x plus h into expanding this, it gives us x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x cubed all over h, which is exactly equals to limit as h approaches 0 of, now we expand this again with x, which means multiplying by x first, it will be x cubed plus 2x squared h plus x h squared plus, now I multiply by h, it will be x squared h plus 2x plus 2x h squared plus h cubed minus x cubed all over h, which is now equals to limit as h approaches 0. Now here we add and subtract the like terms, x cubed cancels with minus x cubed. Now here I have 2x squared, which I have 2x squared, which is like to this one, so 2x squared h plus x squared h, it gives me 3x squared h. Then x h squared is like 2x h squared, which means this plus that, it gives me plus 3x h squared. Then I've done this one, that one, plus in this case h cubed all over h. Now going forward, we now factorize, which is limit as h approaches 0. My common factor here is h, which means open bracket there, it's going to be 3x squared plus 3x h plus h squared all over h, which is equals to limit as h approaches 0 of, h cancels with h, which means I'll have 3x squared plus 3x h plus h squared, which is now equals to, it now means where there is h we put a 0, so which means it will be 3x squared, we put a 0 here, 0 times this, it becomes plus 0 plus 0, which means the final answer becomes 3x squared. Thank you so much. God bless you.